It's time for Top That Trade. Ready to throw a few punches. Phil Flynn, a Fox Business News contributor, and pro options trader Alan Nuckman. Round number one, upside down. Stock short interest is at an 8-year high, totaling more than $1 trillion. Is it time to sell?
Well, $1 trillion isn't what it used to be. I'll tell you that right now. If the market cap of the U.S. Stock market is 18 trillion, that's still a very small percentage. I look at that as bullish. A lot of people, when you look at brokerage accounts, still have a high percentage in cash, and the mutual fund guys are still rather skeptical of this rally. So that means, for me, higher.
It's scary to me. It's scary to me when you have that many people taking short positions. And we're not talking necessarily dumb people, because people that have to take short positions in the stock market have to be accredited investor. It could be a hedge. It could be a possibility. But still, when you see record open interest, traditionally that's a sign to be careful. That means that usually the market's going higher.
It only took a few weeks for the market to come all the way back, so now we'll see what happens if we can make new highs. But I still get the feeling that nobody believes, and you know what usually happens.
When nobody believes.
Up, and away.
Up, and away.
Up, and away to our next round. Plane, train, or automobile. Virgin America Airlines sold for 40% more than its stock price. Pick your favorite investment mode of transportation.
There you go. I'm going to say, well, I want to say Tesla, because I love that stock and I own it, but I'm talking my own book.
See, exactly.
But if you want to talk transportation,
now you want to buy Tesla now that it's gone up from 140.
I'm long from 80. I love it.
Right,
but I'll tell you what. The thing is that when we look at this, I like the airlines, and the one that I like is Southwest Air, LUV. I love it. I love it. And you want to know why? Because the airlines are putting on energy hedges. That's right. They're locking in these prices.
So that helps your business. So again, it's all about you. It helps your business. So again, it's all about you.
No, I think
you're self-serving. All right, JetBlue lost out on the buy. JetBlue lost out on the buyout for Virgin America.
Yeah.
But their PE is only 10, and it's holding at the 20 level. So I like JetBlue. I also like Ford, who's in the news. I like Ford's in the news, is trading between 11 and 14, and moved above 14 since the 18. And lastly, the other train, CSX, has been holding steady. I'm looking for about a 20% move to the upside.
I don't like CSX, and I'll tell you why. Rail transportation is going down because we're moving to coal away from natural gas. Their business is in big trouble because we're not using as much coal. That's one of the major factors in rail, so I'd stay away from the rail.
It's already sold off because of that, my friend.
Oh my goodness. Okay, go ahead.
Moving on down the line, round number 3, oil's not well. Saudi Arabia is planning a $2 trillion sovereign wealth fund in preparation to transition away from oil revenue. Yes or no on the IPO when it launches?
Well, when they do this launch, $2 trillion is a ton of money. I don't know how they're going to suspend it. When you look at the value of that, you could buy all of the top 9 oil companies and throw in Microsoft, throw in Google, I have my list here, throw in Apple and Berkshire Hathaway, and you still haven't spent all the money. So how are they going to invest all that money? That's the gazillion-dollar question.
Well, that's a big question. Where are they going to get the money? Print it like everybody else and borrow money and get debt? Saudi Arabia is in big trouble, Angie, as you know. They're going to the market. They have to sell part of their state-owned oil company. And to me, this is a sign of desperation. You know, they realize the writing's on the wall. They're in the worst economic shape that they've been in probably 30 years. To me, it's a sign of desperation. And when you see a desperate play, you stand aside, you wait.
I think it's good planning, but the IPO and any IPO, they keep a majority of all the shares, so they're only going to let go, 5% or so to the market. So they're going to have the value for the people that buy the shares. I don't know how much more upside there is, but they're planning ahead. Oil is not going to last forever.
I still haven't forgiven you for wanting people airfare to go up because you don't like that airlines hedge at record low prices. I don't understand it. He likes high airfares. This is Alan Nuckman. He's pro high airfares.
Well, I need Alan Nuckman to put on his thinking cap because we're on to the bonus round question. And Alan, I know you have struggled in this category.
Struggled.
But I'm trying to maybe give you a question that would lean your way. So here we go. Well, yeah. Alan sells chicken ribs. He sells chicken ribs, so here we go.
Magic Johnson. The answer is Magic Johnson.
It's a chicken question. The average amount of wings that the average American consumes in one sitting is what? 6 wings, 8 wings, or 12 wings?
Well, you didn't tell me what size they are, so that's That's the variable. How many ounces is more
Oh, my
important? How many
goodness.
ounces is more important than the number
Oh
of
my
weights?
goodness!
I'm
This
gonna-
is a simple question.
I'm
You
gonna-
have 3 choices.
I'm gonna
you
look
got
at
a
you,
1/3 chance to get it right this
and
week.
there's 2 things I think of: sloth and gluttony. So I'm going to go with gluttony.
So you're saying 12?
Yes, 12.
I hate to say it, I agree with him.
Oh, my word. You both got it right. It was 12.
Wow!
The answer is
all
12.
Well, congratulations!
Yay.
Congratulations!
But it's not- I didn't
Alan
wa-
got 1.
Right, but we both got it right. So it's not a sole victory.
Well, you're never going to beat me, so
It's not a
Let's just call it a win-win. Business First AM continues.